brain gifted me this adjustable rolling desk to try out, and I was super impressed by how easy the assembly process was. I am not handy at all, and I was able to assemble this by myself in under 30 minutes. There were no extra tools required. I just used the tools that were included in the set. The instructions were very straightforward and it was very easy to put together. I did have a few extra screws and hardware pieces left over at the end, but I did follow the instructions exactly, so I'm guessing that the manufacturer just included extras. Once assembled, the desk feels very sturdy and very functional for its compact size. One feature I really like is the adjustable height. I'm 5'2" and my husband is 6'2", so I love that we can both use this desk. You can easily raise or lower the desktop depending if you want to sit or stand, and it's really easy to adjust. You first have to loosen the knobs on either side. At the bottom, you just use the wrench that's included, and you take off this little piece. Then you can easily pull out the screw, then lift the desk to the height that you want it, and then easily just put the screw back in, and then use the included wrench to just tighten that piece so the screw is secured. So I was able to adjust the height by myself. So I'm 5'2", and this clip shows the desk at its highest raised setting. As you can see, I prefer to use a laptop stand, so this setup works best for me, but it's very easy to adjust the desk to whatever setting works best for you. The wheels are a very important feature because they make it very easy to move the desk from room to room. If you need it in your home office during the day and then you want to roll the desk to a different room in the evening, it's lightweight enough to roll without much effort. As you can see, we have carpet, and I had no issues moving the desk back and forth. The wheels lock and unlock very easily as well. I also love the built-in storage shelves. They provide extra space for books, office supplies, notebooks, planners, or storage containers. It's a really great feature for a home office. The tabletop itself is a great size for a laptop, mouse, notebook, your water bottle, and a few everyday essentials. Because of the storage shelves and the adjustable height, I could see this being really useful as a home office desk, a crafting station, a bedside workstation, or just a very practical workstation in any small space. If you're looking for a compact desk that's easy to assemble, adjustable, easy to move, includes built-in storage, this is a really great option. Especially if you're limited on space, this truly is a great desk.